ihe m na-eche mgbe a ga-asị ụmụ okorobịa ndị ala Igbo niile, ụmụ okorobịa niile nọ n'ala Igbo nọ n'obodo oyibo niile, unu batawa n'omene na ọgụ ahụ emene.
Every Igbo youth should pay attention for this particular video, and do not forget to share, like, and also comment, because we are going to learn a lot in this particular video. This time around, we all have seen what is happening right now in Nigeria. So I want all Biafran youth to be in preparation. I want all of them to prepare themselves, because if you have 3 eyes, you will see what is coming. What is coming right now is bigger than us, and we need to activate our power. We need to prepare ourselves so that if that war come, we can be able to defend ourselves. So listen to our brother, and take action from him. Thank you, and may God bless you. May God continue to bless you people.
Nwanne dịka nwa Biafra ezuru m oke. Ịmara ihe m na-eche. Ihe m na-eche mgbe a ga-asị ụmụ okorobịa ndị ala Igbo niile, ụmụ okorobịa niile nọ n'ala Igbo nọ n'obodo oyibo niile, unu batawa n'omene na ọgụ ahụ emene, na ọgụ ahụ a na-atụ anya na ọgụ ahụ emene. A na-ebunye ndị youth ngwa ọgụ, a na-ebunye onye ọbụla ngwa ọgụ. Nwanne m enyo anya hụ n'ọwa eziokwu na a na-ebunye onye ọbụla ngwa ọgụ, sị nna onye ọbụla bata. Nwanne mgbe a ka m na-atụ down. Nwanne mgbe ahụ ka m na-atụ down. Ụmụ Igbo ana m ege ntị mgbe ọ ga-anya obe ụnụ afụ m. Daalụnụ.
Biafrans, have you observed that for some time now, Mazi Simon Ekpa's case made our attention. I wouldn't want to say that it diverted our attention, because our attention is not diverted. Excuse me. Our attention is not diverted and will never be diverted, because Mazi Simon Ekpa is part of the struggle. He is one of the reasons why we are on the social media. So, as a Anyabewe, ime Sonia Bewakwa. So, as Mazi Nandekano is crying, Mazi Simon Ekpa is crying as well. So, therefore, as we are fighting for Mazi Nandekano, we are also fighting for Mazi Simon Ekpa. Because these people, their presence matters a lot in this struggle. They are the reason why we are doing what we are doing today. Excuse me. They are the reason why we are doing what we are doing today. But above all, I just understood and observed that each time that it gets to be that, like, our attention is being focused or channeled in one particular point, the enemies always come to sow ties. The enemies, I mean the SDOS. Whenever all Biafrans, whenever our hands are on desk, we are bombarding them, all of them will run away and disappear. They will be hiding. But once they observe that we are no longer, we are talking about a particular thing, we are carrying a particular topic on our head, once having observed now, our topic, our mind is somehow focused on channeled on one particular thing. Piam hapata. Video miarewa more post. But immediately I potara. Hanile disappear ya. You see? Go and look at their activities. They don't do any other thing apart from our onye ha ji me post me comment wo Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Mazi Simon Ekpa. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Simon Ekpa. That is where we have pushed them to. Especially in Ghana where make a gift family writers. Ebe I push Ruhana wo, I kwuru n'ihu ha kwuru n'azụ. So anything that we do, they will use it to broadcast us. They will use it to analyze us. You see, they themselves cannot do what we can use to analyze them because they worth nothing. He will give value. They will give value. So in when you believe when the case guy what are we analyzing empty brains for? Especially one that is in Biafra land. Everything na Biafra land agro agubula that guy. Has ya mic, ya phone. Ojine eme propaganda. Na eme propaganda na inside one room. Mami na that guy. Job room na Johnny akapro ka this thing. You know? Even ordinary fan onwegi no room ya. Onwegi fan obi na single room. Ordinary fan onwegi. Ele had this guy. Ama mama da buchika na work again. Mami na that guy. Ordinary fan he doesn't have. This SDOS group have to send him money to go and buy fan. To go and buy fan. Tell me how that kind of person will progress in life. Here no anyị go ki with ezo na atụ asị agba amụgha agbagide mmadụ ibe gị eme propaganda. He never told us that money is his problem or house property is his problem. Then let him come so I will provide it for him. Koga hiona zuike. Not to come and fight for Mazi Nnamdi. We don't need such people. In the anyway brain. I need in the brain. People that can reason. So we need to call this guy. Mama Mother Buchika again. We need to bring him in. We need to call him. I need his attention. Actually, his problem. Let me solve some of his problem for him. Yes, I need to solve his problems to get him some house property. Maybe get a good house for him. Because Agro Agubula the guy. That is why he's doing propaganda for the SDOS. They must learn a lesson.
Congratulations, Biafrans. Congratulations, Mazi Nnamdi have already won today. We keep on winning every day. The latest news I want to tell you guys is that there's going to be heavy war between the Britain and the Israel. See, over this IPOP issue, Britain is going to find it difficult. In fact, this war is going to be so heavy. This war is going to be so heavy because, like this, the Israel are not taking it funny. They're not having it funny concerning this issue of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu with the Britain. You understand? This is why you're seeing backbones from the Britain and the Israel. The Israel now are claiming that the US, the Britain is Islamic nation. Apart from that, now the Israel are telling the Britain that they don't have any rights over them concerning this IPOP today. As I'm speaking to this issue, the Israel are telling the Britain you don't have any rights and you cannot tell us how to deal with the issue of IPOP. IPOP matter is our matter. Leave us alone, or else a lot is going to happen. See, when we talk about say the freedom of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is now, you people think I'm joking. See, the war that will eventually happen between the Israel and the Britain is the cost of the IPOP, because even Nigeria government cannot even stop Israel. As it stands, the Nigeria government cannot stop Israel in this thing they are doing. They can never stop, no matter how the Nigerian government try to do. They cannot. I'm talking about Nigerian government. The Britain, they are finding difficult to stop the Israel. Is it Nigerian government that can hold them? No matter how they try to do, no matter how they try to twist it, Biafra is now or never. We are not going back to the era of dialogue. We are not going back to the era of do this one, give all this one, take this one, give all. It has gone beyond that. The Israel are saying now it is Biafra or nothing. The Britain are saying that no, it is dialogue or you get 5 states. This is what is going. But at the end of the day, the virtue of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is very, very paramount to the Israel. See, this is not a joking matter. Once I tell you that congratulations is congratulations, it may take time, but it is already done. Share this video. I don't want to talk much today because I'm so tired and having a lot of headache due to my trip. But please share the video and I'll be back again.